So today is hiking day.
My favorite days.
So where are we going?
We're going to Spearfish Canyon. Doing maybe Spearfish Falls, Rough Rock Falls. See what else we got over in this area. And Spearfish Canyon. And then
this is one of the best thing ever.
And then Spearfish, of course, we found a local homemade ice cream shop.
And this is going
Yummy.
You know what? This is
Great
going
day.
to be the best trip ever. Eating ice cream, hiking, climbing rocks, steep cliffs, and steep hills.
Waterfalls.
Waterfalls. And a bird can walk on. And
Oh yeah, a bird that can.
swim underwater and walk.
We'll have to
on
see if we
land.
can find it.
A swimming walking bird? Where you get one of those at?
It's called a puffin.
No, one sticking up your butt.
Is that one of those cool
They're
non-legal
sticked up my butt.
animal shops?
Yeah.
Hybrid.
Oh no, there's a puffin sticked up my butt. Look at swimming.
This is a beautiful ride though. Alright. I gotta turn you off before Corbin says something we can't put on YouTube.
Duty, bye bye.
People are enjoying it. I think you said where is it? So this is Rough Rock Falls?
Rainbow trout.
All the trout we can want. It's not that big.
Go for a slide. Here, look, nature's water slide. So we just hiked down Spearfish Falls. I mean, the other one, Rough Rock Falls, and now we're heading down to Spearfish Falls. We'll show you some cool things along the way. See you there. So right now we're on Spearfish Trail, and look at this amazing view. It's crazy. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And waterfall is just up ahead. Bum, 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 bum. Here is a little footbridge that we're on, and the stream going across it. I think it's from the waterfall, but I'm not sure. So here you can see it's a nice little viewpoint, and we have the mountains over there, as you can see. And that's it.
Found Bradoville Falls. Give it to me.
So yummy.
How are you gonna bite that?
I don't know.
Like that?
Like that?
One side at a time?
Salted caramel M&M in a homemade waffle cone. What'd you get?
I got salted caramel M&M with a wooden spoon.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I got ice cream salad.
Let's see Daddy's. Holy moly, dude. Vanilla bean.
All right, baby, how was the hike?
Very good.
Very good. Exhausting.
Really horrible.
It was exhausting.
How was the ice cream?
Oh, so good.
So,
So
good.
good.
My cookie sandwich was as big as my head.
It wasn't quite that big.
Well, it wasn't quite that big. You know what?
What?
That hike,
Chicken
the
butt.
waterfalls were cool, but all the walking was horrible. Bye bye. See you later. Poopy
How was
hut.
the water? Was it cold?
Yeah, it was pretty cold. It was like ice cold.
Ice cold.
And
So
poopy-doo.
we had a good time. We went and hiked. What was it? What did I say? It was 4 miles maybe total. Somewhere in that neighborhood.
Yep.
And got to see some waterfalls. We got to touch some really cold water. We took the scenic highway back through, what's the name of it?
It was Spearfish Canyon.
Spearfish Canyon Scenic Highway bypass, something or other. But we highly suggest that if you get the chance to. And
Mom, you get this.
that's about it. The ice cream was good. We ate at, what was it, Leon's Creamery. They got some homemade ice cream, so really good stuff. But anyway, we're back at Mystic Hills. We're gonna take a nap, and then we're gonna relax the rest of the afternoon. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you later.